Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our new topic, which is alkane. In the previous lectures, we were discussing the hydrocarbon and two types of hydrocarbon. One of them was saturated hydrocarbon and another was unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon were also known as alkane and the unsaturated hydrocarbon were known as alkene and alkynes. So today we will discuss about the alkane. What are alkane? The alkane can be defined as the hydrocarbon which containing all single bonds between carbon atoms. Those hydrocarbon which having all single bonds between the carbon atoms are called alkane. Or the alkane can also be named as saturated hydrocarbon. They can be named as saturated because all the four valencies of the carbon are saturated by having the single bonds or sigma bonds. The alkane are also known as paraffin. Why they are named as paraffin? Para mean less. Affin means affinity or reactivity. The alkane are named as paraffin because they have less reactivity. Why they have less reactivity? Because they are saturated hydrocarbons. These are less reactive compounds and the reason is saturation because they have all single bonds. The alkane can form a homologous series of compounds. They can form a homologous series of compounds. What is a homologous series? The series of organic compounds in which the two nearest members are different from each other by CH2 group or methylene group. CH2 group or methylene group. So that series in which all the two nearest member different from each other by methylene or CH2 group are called homologous series. So alkane is also a homologous series. Looks to the example. The first member of alkane is methane. Methane. Look, carbon has 4 valence electron. So each carbon can form 4 single bonds or 4 sigma bonds. CH4, this is the structure formula of methane and this is the molecular formula of methane. Look to the second member of alkane is ethane. Ethane has structure formula. Look, all the carbon have 4 saturated valencies. And each carbon have one single bond with another carbon atoms. And each hydrogen can make one single bond and each single bond or each first bond is a sigma bond. So another member is ethane. Ethane has the molecular formula C2H6. The third member of alkane is propane. Look to the propane. Look, all the 4 valencies of the carbon are saturated. Look here. This carbon has 3 single bond with 3 hydrogen atom and 1 single bond with another carbon atom. Look to the center carbon atom. The central carbon atom has 1 single bond with 1 carbon and another single bond with another carbon. And the central carbon has 2 single bond with 2 hydrogen atom. Look to the terminal or the last carbon or terminal carbon has also 4 valencies, and all the 4 valencies are satisfied. 3 bonds are formed with 3 hydrogen atom and 1 bond with another carbon. So the molecular formula of propane is C3H8. And the 4th member of alkane is butane. Now look, whether the alkane is a homologous series. Look, CH4, 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen. Nearest member C2H6. How much difference is between the methane and ethane? Only CH2 group. Only CH2 group. Similarly here also CH2 group. Similarly here also CH2 group. How they have CH2 group? The lower member will have CH2 group less than the nearest higher member. And each nearest higher member will have CH2 group more than the nearest lower member. For example, butane has CH2 group more than the propane, and propane has CH2 group more than ethane, and ethane has CH2 group more than methane. The alkane can be represented by general formula CnH2n plus 2. Cn, what is N here? N used for the number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms. N indicate the number of carbon atoms. Look here in methane. How many carbon are there in methane? Only 1 carbon. So H to N, 2 multiplied by 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. Similarly, ethane, C2H6. How many carbon are there? 2. C2, 2, 2, 4 plus 2, 6. C2H6. Similarly, C3H, 2, 3, 6 plus 2, 8. So this is the general formula of alkane. Here, we use the prefixes for the number of carbons atom in alkanes. Meth use per 1 carbon, eth per 2 carbon, prop per 3 carbon, but per 4 carbon, and pent per 5 carbon, hex per 6 carbon, hept per 7 carbon, oct per 8 carbon, non per 9 carbon, dic per 10 carbon. Per alkane we add ane with these prefixes if this series is alkane. So after these prefixes we will add ane. Similarly, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. So we can add ane with the prefixes meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec per alkane. Now we will discuss the sources of alkane. What are the sources of alkane? The main sources of alkane are petroleum and natural gas. The main sources of alkane are the petroleum and natural gas. And look here, natural gas is a mixture of 4 gases: methane, ethane, propane, and butane. Natural gas is a mixture of 4 gases: methane, ethane, propane, butane. We can also call the natural gas as methane. Why we call the natural gas as a methane? And actually it consists upon 4 gases: methane, ethane, propane, butane, because 85% of natural gas consists upon methane, and the remaining 15% consist upon the three gases, ethane, propane, and butane. The alkane are obtained commercially by the fractional distillation of crude petroleum. We know petroleum. Petroleum are not in the pure form. Petroleum is a mixture of different gases, liquids, and solids. And we can separate each component upon the fractional distillation process. What is fractional distillation? The separation of different components of a mixture on the basis of their boiling point is called fractional distillation. Look, the boiling point of methane is different than the boiling point of ethane. Similarly, the boiling point of ethane is different than the boiling point of propane, butane, pentane, hexane. So all the components of petroleum or a crude mixture can be separated upon their boiling point based. So this process is called fractional distillation. Similarly, marsh gas is formed by the bacterial decaying of vegetable matter contain mostly methane. Marsh gas can also be obtained by the bacterial decaying of vegetable matter. The bacteria can decay the vegetable matter, and from this vegetable matter we can obtain the marsh gases. And the marsh gases contain mostly the methane. Similarly, fuel gases obtained from coal gas. Fuel gases can obtain from coal gases which contain alkane in small amount. The coal gases contain alkane in a small amount. And methane occur in gobar gas, sewage gas, and biogas, which are formed by the decomposition of cattle dung, excreta, and plant waste. From these material, the natural gas, the methane gas, and can also be obtained. Okay, this was about the alkane. So inshallah, in the next lecture, we will give name to the alkane, that how we will name the alkanes. If you have any questions, so please write in the comment. Wish you best of luck.